Want to use two languages with Gemini? You can add a second language easily. Here's how. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings. Now tap Language. Here, you'll see Main Language and Second Language. Tap on Second Language. Choose the language you want to add. This allows Gemini to understand and respond in more than one language. It's useful if you switch languages often or speak bilingually. After selecting, you may be asked to restart Gemini. Tap Restart Gemini to apply the changes. Once done, you can start speaking in either language, and Gemini will follow along. And that's how to add a second language in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.